So yeah, after this, I think Jean-Paul said it also very well and very clearly at the very beginning of this webinar. When you get to multi-channel content delivery, it's very important to embrace all the people who are, let's say, responsible of the content at some steps. And this is why it's very important as well to define, first of all, your workflows, the processes you have internally. Before you get any new tool or any new technologies or whatever, it's very important to identify exactly the different steps your content gets into, and also make everyone aware of his role. Because when you look at such a sequential or linear workflow like this one, which is a very standard one, getting from initial brief to the final approved content, you have multiple persons involved, and any point can be a bright point. So anyone can get out or doesn't do the right step at the right time, and then your workflow gets stuck in. So that's why define it and also assign the proper ownership and responsibilities to each member of the team is very important. This is just about the content creation itself, but when it gets a bit more complicated as well is when you want to deliver that content, because you created the content, it was approved, which is already a very first step. And the second step is now to deliver it to your audience, the famous targeted audience that we introduced before. So you have an assembly of images, videos, text, documents that you want to push to your websites, to your mobile apps, and many new channels coming up now, because you know that this is the rise of IoT and also wearables. So you will get your content to multiple channels, even those you didn't expect as of today. And you see that let's say black box in the middle, which is how do I get into that? How do I transform all these contents, and as much as possible in an automated way as well, because as Jean-Paul was saying, you need to reduce the time to market of your products and the associated contents and services. And this is why you definitely need to get ROI on that aspect and automate as much as you can, which is also part of our tool set capabilities, for instance. So maybe
I can add a point about this
sure.
workflow. It's one of the collateral effects of the changes with this kind of transformation is to be able for our graphic team to be more near to our clients, because they are able to have a better understanding of the usage of their content, because they can publish directly on the website, they can publish directly on the web app, and they can see, it's very easy for us to have access to some statistics. And they can improve the quality of their production only because they have direct access to the information. They have direct access to website. They don't have need to send it to the web content team, and they don't understand what's happened in the content web team, but they have direct access to mobile app. So they transform the knowledge, and they transform their skills to improve their capabilities to help the marketing team and not only to execute.